Okay. All the hard stuff is done. Well, not really. I mean, we still got the glue, but you know what? Everything is working. This is great. So again, what we did was we took out the stock, or took out the 500 gigabyte SSD. Oh, yes, 500 gigabyte SSD, and we replaced it with a Sabrent NVMe M2 PCIe 2 terabyte drive, and we use an adapter. I forgot what the company is called, Syntec adapter for Mac. It's a little tiny one. It'll be on the link. It'll be in one of the links on the video. And works perfectly so far. The next step is we're gonna glue this thing back up, and then we're gonna run through some quick read-write testing once the operating system's fully back installed. Because the whole idea is I want to make sure that the OS is running quickly. Actually, you know what? I should test that now. So you know what? We're not gonna glue it up just yet. I'm gonna flip this thing around, and we're gonna install the OS, and we're gonna make sure that this bad boy is running perfectly before I glue this thing up. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I just turned this thing around. Again, not putting it on its up straight up. I mean, that's stupid. It's not connected just yet. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish installing this OS on here. Where's the part? Because I want to make sure that even the speed is what I'm expecting. And for me to do that, I gotta have the operating system running. So we're gonna install a fresh OS on here. Have the opportunity left on her. Yeah, I should have did it before. Anyways, gotta wait for this again. Gonna pause, and then when it's done, when it gets to the recovery, I'll resume the video. See you in a sec.